Hi, I'm Skylar Indigo, and this is Bash 4's chemistry course. Our sweet question today is, how does glucose shape our modern world? We can see this through natural versus artificial sweeteners, food production, diabetes, and dentistry. Before we dive in, how does your tongue work?
Well, our tongue has taste receptors that interact with the atoms inside the molecule. They'll detect certain molecules which will shoot a signal up to the brain that goes, hey, that's sweet. This leads us to our debate on what's better, natural or artificial sweeteners. Natural sugars are what provide necessary nutrients and carbs for our energy. Artificial sweeteners supply a sweet taste with little or no calories or blood spikes. Though it's not all sunshines and rainbows.
While natural sugars contribute to diabetes, artificial sugars have been shown to increase heart attack risk, though the real issue comes from overconsumption because it's generally safe in controlled amounts. This brings us to food production. Sweeteners are found in ultra-processed food, which are among the most popular types because they're easy to produce and preserve.
Glucose has been widely used to keep your snacks from going bad. Though they do have health risks, ingredients such as dextrose and maltodextrin raise your blood sugar and make your tummy hurt a lot.
This industry has grown since World War I as these foods are easy to ship. Sweet, high-sugar foods continue to drive a huge part of our food market.
Just look at the back of a ketchup label and you'll see high fructose corn syrup or some other added sugar because glucose is a part of almost every food we consume.
Though due to the increased risk of type 2 diabetes and cardiovascular disease, they've always been in a bit of a hot seat. Glucose is a monosaccharide, or a simple sugar.
Monosaccharides, specifically glucose, play a role in cellular respiration, which generates energy for our body. They also help in interactions between enzymes and proteins, but foods containing too many contribute to the effects of diabetes. The two types of diabetes cause symptoms such as increased thirst, urination, fatigue, increased hunger, and blurry vision. Technology like Dexcoms are used to track and regulate blood sugar levels and used for insulin delivery, which is what stabilizes your blood sugar. These are used worldwide, but there are some ethical concerns about glucose monitoring technology because of privacy and accessibility reasons. And the advancements haven't been the most promising. Foods high in sugar can also cause dental issues.
One of the most common chronic diseases in the U.S. is dental caries, including dental cavities and tooth decay.
This is because the added sugars from certain foods can break down the enamel in your teeth, and they can also lower the pH levels in your mouth and make the other teeth weaker in the process. We counteracted this by inventing toothbrushes that physically scrub away the plaque and food debris from the teeth so they don't solidify. The advent of agriculture around 10,000 years ago introduced a diet higher in carbs and sugar, and dental issues became a growing crisis. This led to the high demand in dental care we see today.
In short, glucose plays a role in our economy from healthcare to food productions, and sweeteners are okay in moderation, but excessive amounts are harmful. I'm Skylar Indigo, and thank you for watching